Hi my YouTube family, this is Jeanette from Handmadebyjeanie. Welcome back to my channel. This is just a video to show you how I transformed this plain men's shirt into a fabulous shirt hand painted by me. Lay the shirt flat and put a cardboard up under it so the paint won't bleed through. Here I'm laying the stencil down, and then I'm going to secure it with some painter's tape to hold it in place, and then start outlining with the black paint. Peel the stencil off while the paint is still wet so it doesn't pull it. Here I was just going to leave it outlined, but I filled the Afro in with the black paint. I think that looks better. Next, I laid down the other stencil that has the wording, "She's clothing, strength, and dignity." That's my favorite verse. You can use whatever you like to put on there, love, whatever, and it'll come out just great. And again, peel the stencil off while the paint is still wet so it doesn't pull the paint off if it's dried. Here I use the pink paint to outline the whole thing to give it a little pop. And then I use the paint to splatter. I lost that footage while I was doing that. I don't know where that went. This is how it's looking so far. Here I'm going back over it just to clean it up a bit, to put the black and the white back in. Final result. Woohoo!